Hey there traders, welcome back for episode 39 from the StockBandit.tv. I'm sure glad that you're here. I suppose that means that the next episode will be over the hill, but back to the topic at hand. One thing I was asked recently really hits home on a day like today when you see the NASDAQ up almost 100 points and you see the Dow up pretty much 5 bills. It was a huge day across the board. And if you were trading the long side, you probably wondered this as well. So let me just show you an email that I got recently. This person asked, "Hey Jeff, I only trade intraday, and my question for you is how do you continue trading when you are profitable? I have a problem entering good trading opportunities I spot. I know I'm fearful of giving back profits, regardless of whether or not I met my daily profit target." So let me just give a little bit of input on my view with regard to this question. I think for one, you have to have some idea of what's going to constitute a good day for you, and that may vary from day to day. But as you trade a little bit more and you start to get a feel for your trading style and the market and how much risk you're putting on, you start to get an idea whether or not you're having a acceptably good day. Meaning, if it ended right now, would it be a good day? Would you consider that just decent, or would you consider it very good? So you have to have some idea for that. But really, beyond that, I think you've got to always designate a cutoff level for the downside. Meaning, if you're negative on the day, you've always got to know what is your max dollar loss. Okay, so we're just going to say MDL. I also think that you need to designate a cutoff from your peak of the day. So let's say that your equity line is looking like this, and you've just been profitable all day, and you've been stacking up profits along the way. Now, for you, it may be you're willing to stop out at half of that. Meaning, if you started losing money, you're going to go ahead and just call it a day right there. Maybe it's 75%. I don't know. For you, it's going to be something that only you can determine, and yet that's something that you need to do. Figure out how much of a very good day you're willing to give back, because what that's going to do is allow you to continue trading if some good setups come along. You've got to determine whether or not the market's still moving in a way that you can benefit from. So, for example, if you're predisposed to shorting, and we're getting an intraday uptrend like we saw today, obviously that doesn't work, and you're done for the day. But other things you might consider, has the market settled into a choppy range? And if so, do you trade those choppy ranges? Has it reversed course intraday? If you made your money short in the morning and then we're now trending higher in the afternoon, well, you're probably done for the day. The last thing really I would mention is it still providing you with good setups and good trade candidates? If you're scanning the charts intraday and you're looking for the patterns that you like and you just can't find them, then you're probably finished. So go ahead and book that day and move on. So at the very least, I think that once you've had a good day and you're at that point that you're happy, then you can just designate a smaller trade amount that you're going to go with, so that you don't give back much money in case you happen to lose. But that way you're still able to add to your bottom line. A few days of the month can really make the difference on a net basis between good and great. So don't be afraid to keep going if you're seeing the ball clearly and you're trading well on a day like this. So thanks for joining me once again. I will be back soon with more videos, but in the meantime, trade like a bandit.